Hello everybody and welcome back. Right, just a short video this week. I thought I'd just jump on here because went to the co-op earlier and I found these in a basket at the end, reduced, and they're Warburtons pancakes. Look, 32p. I thought, well, I can't resist. I think they've got to be eaten today. So, right, I thought, how am I going to cook them? Because there's 6 in there, so I won't get them all in the toaster because I've only got 2 slice toaster. So I thought I'll chuck them in the air fryer just for a few minutes to heat them up and see how we get on. So I'll unwrap them, place them in there, put them in and see what happens. So as you can see, I've just stacked them up a bit, and what I'll do is I'll put those on for about 2 or 3 minutes and then maybe flip them over. I don't think they're going to need long, but I thought rather than keep putting them in the toaster 2 at a time, I thought I'd just do them all now and I could eat them all together. And yeah, we're not wasting any energy with the toaster. So I'll pop these in here. I'll stick them on air fry, give them a bit of heat. We'll start it off at 200 and then take it down to 5. As you know, with this one, there's a default minimum setting of 5. So I'll give that about 3 minutes or so and then I'll flip them over. Warburtons pancakes, lovely. Okay, well these will have had 3 minutes now. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, oh no, that works. That's good, they're nice and warm anyway. So I'll just flip these over. As I say, it's always worth checking like the side aisles of some of these supermarkets, especially when they've got things like reduced bread and stuff like that, because you can either always put it in the freezer or toast it or anything like that. So I thought, oh, I'll pick these up and give them a go and see what they're like. Right, I'll do it from the remainder now. So that's 3 minutes. So that would have been, I say 5 all in all. So that's 5 minutes. So that's 5 minutes. Very nice, yeah, they're hot, they're okay, they're all right for serving. So, right, let's pop these on a plate. Probably a bit decadent having 3, but the excuse I'm using is they've all got to be eaten today, so there you have it. Right, so that's that. Now I'm going to have a bit of honey on mine, so I've got some honey here. So let's have a little go, shall we? Okay. In my own shadow here, apologies for that, the lighting's terrible. So I'm trying to look through the camera lens and get this at the same time. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, very nice. Yep, Warburtons pancakes. Very nice. If you see them, give them a try. And as I say, that's in the air fryer. 5 minutes all in all. So that was 2 minutes. No, sorry, 3 minutes, and then flip them over for another 2. And yeah, delicious. Okay, enjoy. See you soon.